Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of Moringa, a superfood that can transform your health in ways you might not have imagined. You know me, I'm all about using the best, evidence-based advice to help you live your healthiest life. And Moringa definitely fits the bill. This plant is packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can boost your energy, improve your immune system, and even enhance your skin health. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore 18 amazing ways this plant can improve your well-being. From reducing inflammation to supporting brain health, Moringa has a lot to offer. Stay tuned to learn how this amazing plant can improve your life. Whether you're looking to add more nutrients to your diet or find natural ways to support your health, Moringa is a fantastic option. Moringa is like nature's multivitamin, absolutely packed with essential vitamins and minerals. This incredible plant has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is now gaining popularity worldwide for its impressive health benefits. We're talking vitamin A for sharp vision, which is crucial for maintaining healthy eyes and preventing night blindness. Vitamin C to boost your immune system, helping your body fight off infections and keep you feeling your best. And don't forget about calcium for strong bones and teeth, essential for maintaining a robust skeletal structure. Plus, potassium for healthy blood pressure, which helps regulate fluid balance and muscle contractions. And the best part? Moringa provides these nutrients in a bioavailable form, meaning your body can easily absorb and utilize them. This ensures that you get the maximum benefit from every serving. So, if you're looking for a natural way to supplement your diet, Moringa is a great option. Whether you add it to your smoothies, sprinkle it on your meals, or take it in supplement form, incorporating Moringa into your daily routine can help you achieve optimal health and wellness. In today's world, we're constantly bombarded with free radicals from pollution, processed foods, and even stress. These free radicals can damage our cells and lead to chronic diseases. That's where Moringa comes in. This plant is loaded with antioxidants, which act like little warriors fighting off those harmful free radicals. We're talking about powerful antioxidants like quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene. Inflammation is a natural process that helps our bodies heal, but chronic inflammation is linked to a whole host of health problems, from heart disease to cancer. Moringa contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds, such as isothiocyanates and flavonoids. These compounds work by suppressing the production of inflammatory enzymes, effectively putting out the fire of inflammation in the body. This makes Moringa a potential natural remedy for inflammatory conditions. For those of you struggling with blood sugar control, Moringa might just be your new best friend. Studies show that Moringa can help lower blood sugar levels, which is incredible news for people with diabetes or those at risk. It works by improving insulin sensitivity, allowing your cells to use glucose more effectively. We all know that high cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease. Well, guess what? Moringa can help with that too. Research suggests that Moringa can reduce bad cholesterol, or LDL, levels while increasing good cholesterol, or HDL levels. This powerful 1-2 punch helps keep your arteries clear and your heart healthy. Moringa isn't just good for your body, it's amazing for your brain too. It contains compounds that can enhance brain function, improve memory, and even boost your mood. These neuroenhancers help protect your brain from damage and keep your cognitive function sharp. So, if you're looking for a natural way to boost your brain power, Moringa is worth considering. Your liver is your body's detox powerhouse, working tirelessly to filter out toxins. But sometimes, it needs a little extra support. Moringa has been shown to protect the liver from damage caused by medications, heavy metals, and other toxins. It does this by boosting the production of antioxidant enzymes in the liver. helping it function at its best. Got a cut or scrape? Moringa can help. This plant has incredible wound healing properties. It works by reducing inflammation, fighting off infection, and even promoting the growth of new skin cells. Some studies even suggest that moringa can help reduce scarring. A strong immune system is your best defense against illness, and moringa can give yours a serious boost. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support immune function. Plus, it has antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a powerful ally in fighting off infections. Did you know that your gut health is intricately connected to your overall health? Moringa can promote a healthy gut by improving digestion and reducing inflammation. It's a good source of fiber, which is essential for regular bowel movements. Plus, it can help soothe digestive discomfort and even fight off harmful bacteria in the gut. Moringa oil is a powerhouse for healthy skin. It's rich in antioxidants and nutrients that nourish and protect your skin. It can help moisturize dry skin, fight acne, and even reduce the appearance of wrinkles. So, if you're looking for a natural way to achieve radiant skin, moringa oil is definitely worth trying. We all want strong, healthy bones, and moringa can help us achieve that. It's an excellent source of calcium, which is essential for bone density. Plus, it contains magnesium and phosphorus, which are also important for bone health. By incorporating moringa into your diet, you can support your bone health and reduce your risk of osteoporosis. If you're trying to manage your weight, moringa can be a helpful addition to your healthy lifestyle. It can boost metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. Plus, it can help regulate blood sugar levels, which can reduce cravings and prevent overeating. Moringa is packed with vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision. Vitamin A protects your eyes from damage caused by free radicals and helps prevent age-related macular degeneration. So, by including moringa in your diet, you can support your eye health and keep your vision sharp. Our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins, but moringa can help. It acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to remove harmful substances from the body. It supports the liver and kidneys, which are the primary organs involved in detoxification. For breastfeeding mothers, moringa can be a game changer. It's known to enhance lactation, increasing milk production. This is because it's rich in nutrients that are essential for both mom and baby. Feeling sluggish? Moringa can help. It's a natural energy booster thanks to its high iron content. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen throughout the body, which is what gives us energy. Moringa can even support respiratory health. It can help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe. Some studies suggest that it may even be helpful for people with asthma. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the incredible benefits of moringa. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Your support helps us create more content to keep you informed and healthy. Remember, incorporating moringa into your diet is easy and can be done in various ways. You can add moringa powder to smoothies, soups, and other recipes to boost their nutritional value. Or even your morning coffee for an energizing start to your day. Alternatively, you can try moringa capsules for a convenient way to get your daily dose without any hassle. As always, consult with your doctor before adding any new supplements to your routine. It's important to ensure that moringa is right for you. See you next time and stay healthy.